Are you unknowingly consuming foods that might be worsening your fatty liver condition? Discover the top 5 foods you should steer clear of to promote better liver function and overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. 1. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods are a significant concern for individuals with fatty liver disease due to their adverse impact on liver health. These foods often contain excessive amounts of added sugars, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats, contributing to the accumulation of fat in the liver cells. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing and processing nutrients, and when inundated with processed foods, it can struggle to manage the influx of harmful substances. Processed foods typically lack essential nutrients and fiber while being loaded with empty calories. The high levels of refined sugars, such as high fructose corn syrup, can lead to insulin resistance and promote fat storage in the liver. Additionally, the trans fats found in some processed items can contribute to inflammation and further liver damage. To support liver health, individuals are encouraged to focus on a whole foods-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Minimizing the intake of highly processed foods is a critical step in managing fatty liver disease and promoting overall well-being. Making informed choices about the quality of foods consumed is integral to mitigating the progression of liver-related conditions and fostering a healthier lifestyle. 2. Sugary beverages. Beverages laden with added sugars, such as sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened juices, pose a significant threat to individuals with fatty liver disease. These sugary concoctions are high in fructose, a type of sugar that, when consumed in excess, can contribute to the accumulation of fat in the liver. The liver metabolizes fructose, and in the process, excessive amounts can overwhelm the liver's capacity to process it efficiently, leading to the production of fat. This fat buildup contributes to the development and progression of fatty liver disease. Furthermore, sugary beverages are often associated with an increased risk of insulin resistance, a condition in which the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, a hormone crucial for regulating blood sugar. Insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The excessive consumption of these sugary drinks not only exacerbates the existing condition, but also heightens the risk of developing complications such as inflammation and liver fibrosis. Consequently, individuals with fatty liver disease are strongly advised to curtail their intake of sugary beverages as part of an overall strategy to manage and improve their liver health. 3. Fried foods. Consuming fried foods can be particularly detrimental to individuals with fatty liver disease due to their high content of unhealthy fats. When foods are deep-fried, they absorb large amounts of oil, often containing trans fats and saturated fats. These fats can contribute to the progression of fatty liver disease by increasing levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, and promoting inflammation. Trans fats, in particular, are known for their adverse impact on cardiovascular health and have been associated with an increased risk of liver disease. Fried foods, such as French fries, fried chicken, and battered snacks, are popular culprits in delivering these harmful fats to the body. Regular consumption can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and elevated levels of triglycerides, exacerbating the underlying issues associated with fatty liver disease. To promote liver health, individuals with this condition are often advised to opt for cooking methods that involve healthier fats, such as olive oil, and to focus on baked, grilled, or steamed foods. By reducing the intake of fried foods, individuals can positively impact their liver function and contribute to an overall improvement in their metabolic well-being. 4. Red and processed meats. Consumption of red and processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of fatty liver disease, making it a key consideration for those seeking to manage this condition through dietary changes. Red meat, such as beef, lamb, and pork, often contains high levels of saturated fats, which can contribute to the accumulation of fat in the liver. Additionally, processed meats, including sausages, bacon, and deli meats, may contain additives and preservatives that can be detrimental to liver health. The connection between red and processed meats and fatty liver disease is thought to be related to the impact of these foods on insulin resistance and inflammation. Studies suggest that a diet high in these meats may exacerbate insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to increased blood sugar levels and potential fat storage in the liver. To mitigate the risks associated with red and processed meats, individuals with fatty liver disease are often advised to opt for lean protein sources, such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods and adopting a balanced diet can contribute to liver health and overall well-being. As always, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is essential for creating a personalized and effective dietary plan. 5. Excessive salt intake. Excessive salt intake is a significant concern for individuals with fatty liver disease due to its potential impact on liver health. Consuming high levels of salt can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure, exacerbating the challenges faced by those with compromised liver function. Processed and packaged foods are often laden with sodium as a preservative and flavor enhancer, making it essential for individuals with fatty liver disease to be vigilant about their dietary choices. The liver plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance, and when burdened with excess sodium, it may struggle to maintain this balance effectively. This can result in fluid accumulation in the abdomen, a condition known as ascites, which is commonly associated with advanced stages of liver disease. Furthermore, high sodium intake may contribute to inflammation in the liver, aggravating the existing challenges posed by fatty liver disease. To manage and improve liver health, individuals are advised to opt for fresh, whole foods and to read food labels diligently to identify and avoid high-sodium products. Embracing a low-sodium diet not only supports liver function, but also promotes overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of complications associated with fatty liver disease. Consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians is crucial for developing a personalized dietary plan tailored to individual health needs. Thank you for tuning in to explore the dietary aspects of managing fatty liver. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and here's to a healthier, happier liver. Until next time.